Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through this here. So we have a Sprinter 2.1 diesel and it's coming up with P310014 hot film mass airflow sensor. Now the kind of symptoms we're getting here is the rev is like bouncing, it's not going up as it should smoothly, and it's smoking heavily. It's to do with this mass airflow sensor. It has a short circuit, as you guys saw on the diagnostic. It's permanent and current, so that's what that means. Current means permanent. You just need to change the sensor, really. There's plenty about online. New is about 300-400 quid from dealer. However, you can get second-hand ones online. There's a lot of breakers, which I would probably recommend, far cheaper. And A6519050 is the code for this specific sensor. It's a case of plug and play, but it would be good if you have a diagnostic, clear the fault, and also reset the values of the sensor. That's if you have the diagnostic. If not, it'll just be a case of really plug and play. But yeah, they're the sort of signs. It'll be juddering, it'll lack in power. Just they're the things really. But yeah, and it's really easy to change as well. Kind of probably a flathead will be able to help you, really. Flathead's the real deal in this game. But yeah, that's the sensor there, and you can grab one on eBay or even Amazon as well, but eBay's your best bet.